Have you ever needed to set up a proxy server for your Wi-Fi but weren't sure where to start? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to easily set up a proxy server on your Xiaomi device, making sure you get connected quickly and securely. Let's dive right in and get started. Go to your phone settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the arrow icon next to the connected Wi-Fi network. Look for options like proxy and tap on it. Then select Manual. Next, input the proxy host name or IP address. After that, enter the proxy port number. If required, input the authentication credentials. Finally, tap the checkmark in the top right corner to confirm. So, that's how you can set up a proxy server for your Wi-Fi on your Xiaomi phone. If the video did the trick for you, then smash that like button. Want more Android phone related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because we have got more of them coming. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.